Hello everyone, welcome back to this lecture. In this lecture, you are going to learn how to create a border for your requirement box or required area you want to show in a more beautiful by applying a border. So using CSS border style property, how we can create a kind of borders in displaying in a HTML page like by applying of a paragraph tag or div element or whatever at the tag where you want to apply this particular border, we'll see now. For this I'm taking like a paragraph tag. I'm taking very simply we are going to be applying. So very simply what I can think here, like inside the body I'm adding a simple paragraph. This is text here to display some product data. So how by defaultly it will shows on output will be like this is the text here to display some product data. So I want to put a border for this. How it is possible? Wherever you require you can use it. So see, in my style tag I'm preparing a very simply for especially for p dot I'm taking dotted like a dotted border I'm taking. So open and end, and here the the property like a border we are putting some border, no? So a style property is there for border style. This one I'm choosing border style I'm choosing, and here the border style is dotted. So the same name I'm taking as my class name also. So the same name I'm taking as my class name dotted. So here what I'll do, class dotted. That's it. Save it and reload the page. Wow, I'm getting a complete dotted border. How simple it is. So if I want to create like more properties, I'll show you one by one here. Just I'm choosing like another one is like what is the border, dash dash, open and end brace, border style like dash dashed. So when I apply dash here for paragraph, you will see here hello. So the class is dash. See, class name also it's displaying. Save it, reload the page, you are getting the dash. Similarly you will have a more. You try to apply for these border styles like I simply say that solid, double, and many of one by one you try to apply, and you will get the more exciting outputs in a page. I hope it's very simple and easy. We'll catch you in the next lecture. Thank you.